Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to hide a post in your timeline. So guys, this is very simple, and in case you mistakenly posted something on Facebook, or there's a post you made and you just want to hide it so that people can be able to find it in your timeline, then in today's video you'll learn how to do that. Now first of all, go ahead and open your Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Now after that, you can now go to your Facebook profile. Now, you're on your Facebook profile. You just have to scroll down to your news feed. Your timeline, and then you just have to choose a particular post you want to hide from your profile visitors. So, okay, let's say I want to hide this one right here. This post was actually a tagged post, and it was made by one of my friends. So guys, if I want to hide this post, all I have to do now is to click on this three little dot besides the person's name on uh, Facebook. So I'm just going to click on this three little dot, and you're going to be presented with this little window that will pop up at the bottom. And now look carefully, the fifth option, you're going to see hide from profile. So if you want to hide this post from your profile, just click on that, and then you're going to have to select confirm, and after that the post is going to be removed from your profile. So as you can see, this little message just beneath these other posts, you're going to see this post is no longer shown on your timeline. So guys, this is how to hide a post from your Facebook profile. It's very quick and easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was in any way, give this video a like, and equally subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel for more of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.